YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We're going to talk about... No, you don't. What the? You're trying to get all up in my Kool-Aid. What the? Okay, anyway, let's talk about Bitcoin, right? Before we do that, guys, I got to let you know, too, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Got to go out and do your research on all this stuff. You're going to make a buy-in decision or anything like that. But as you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 2.8 trillion. Fear Greed Index coming in at 31. Bitcoin coming in at 84.8 today. Seeing some rejection, right? That was what I was concerned about yesterday. Saying that we'll probably see some real price action today. I was saying that I'm not too sure how it was looking. Again, had that rising wedge. I mentioned that in yesterday's video too. It could go either way, of course, but I do think that yesterday was a fake out. Based off of the chart right now, it's looking like we still need to see that retest, more than likely, which, again, is kind of what I expected. I didn't expect that to be the bottom, but maybe we bounce off of 84. I mean, maybe we start building some higher levels of support. That would be really nice, right? We've been... definitely down in this 80K range. Maybe we can hold this 84 range and start bouncing up off of it. But I always say that real price action really happens like later in the week. So like real price action, I feel like is taking place today on Thursday, and then probably into Friday. I would assume if we don't see a bounce today, that we would see more sell off into Friday, and then I assume that we would close the weekend red and then open it up to I don't know what, right? Just really depends what levels we're at right there. But yeah, that's what I was saying yesterday, that we might see a little bit of volatility today, and sure enough, we are. Somebody said BTC as per usual, nothing will come. I don't believe this. Trump, without Trump, BTC will be in food shape. It would be in food shape. So again, I talked about what's going on, or what I feel like is going on. So I don't think that this is right, because I don't think this guy kind of understands politics and how we need the market to correct and the interest rate to go down. Somebody said BTC sell. Why always dump? March 20th, no bull run. WTF, this year's the worst ever. No, I actually think this is the best year ever. Let me see. Anybody else say anything useful? Everybody just scared. Scaredy boys. Scaredy boys. Hurry up and sell, scaredy boy. Jim Cramer, Bitcoin has lost its luster, so to speak. Haha. 7 minutes ago. Talk about Jim Cramer, right? He's always saying the opposite, right? Jim Cramer's saying Bitcoin's lost its luster. So he's saying it's still the same. Nothing has changed. You know, Jim Cramer basically saying nothing has changed. Same thing that I always say. These guys seeming like something has changed, though. It looks like they just don't believe in Bitcoin anymore. Hopefully they sell. Man, get out of the space, fudding up Bitcoin, dude. I hate people that get into our space, and then when things go down a little bit, they just start fudding things up so much. And like, just like, man, nobody told you to get into the space. Go do Shopify or something. Like, what the? But yeah, Bitcoin goes up and down, guys. Just so you know, if nobody told you that, but it does go up and down. Bitcoin has broke up. Yeah. Probably going to see a retest. It's more than likely going to see a retest. And we talked about this, guys. I even said, you know, I would expect the money printer to go burr. I would expect the interest rate to go down. I would expect the markets to crash, to go down a lot more, because that's the only way that we're going to lower our interest rate, is by the market going down. So that's what they want. Trump wants to be able, in my opinion, to say, look how much I lowered the interest rate. And then, you know, when we have a amazing bullish Q4, when we're all getting stimulus checks because we turn the money printer on, that's what I assume will probably happen. I think that we'll see a super cycle, and these guys will have already accumulated during this time. Because of course they were accumulating the whole time. We've already showed all the transactions of these guys accumulating. But look, if you just see like retail's just having this like panic attack, I don't know. I just see it from like a totally different lens of what's going on in the market. BTC fill it empty. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have any conviction in this space, you don't belong here, in my opinion. These are the best moments of Bitcoin, and people that just fud up these type of moments, it's just kind of like you shouldn't be doing this, to be honest with you, because it's just probably not gonna be for you. But anyway, yeah, Bitcoin's seeing a little bit of volatility today, to be expected, right? You see volatility sometimes. So again, we're not out of the woods, and that's what we talked about too. We do not have a clear confirmation. These guys thought we had a clear confirmation, but you guys know, because you guys watched J Talks Crypto, what number we were looking for. We were looking for 89, and that didn't happen. We got 87, and then we saw a rejection. So again, those guys, maybe they should have been tapped in. But as you guys could see too, let's talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum down also 4% today, lacking in volume, down about 1% over here. Also XRP, right, down 4% as well. Solana down 2%. Market starting to see some sell-off. And I kind of gave you guys price ranges, what I thought all these coins would actually come in. And if Bitcoin does decide it wants to see that retest of 68, then I would definitely be looking at that. But it's not to say that it will happen, right? Bitcoin now could form some support at 84. We could start forming higher lows. Maybe we do have a good weekend. I don't know. But right now, we created a wedge, which I was saying yesterday. This wedge right here, we were breaking down even yesterday, right? So this was concerning to me when the price was right here yesterday, because we had already created this wedge. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if Bitcoin does decide it wants to pump again. Price action usually happens on Thursday. I think that we're seeing some price action happen today. Maybe again, we will jump out of this, but right now it's looking like sell-off, personally, I think. Let's talk about the rest of it. Let's talk about Toshi, right? You guys came to see some Toshi, and honestly, I really haven't seen the Toshi chart. I have no idea what it's looking like today. Down 2.3%. Okay, so not too bad. I mean, we're still floating inside the Skelter channel in 30-minute here, but we are probably breaking down on some of these other time frames. 1 hour looking like key support here. 2 hour looking like key support. Toshi sitting on key support. Yeah, we're sitting on some key support right now. We could see some sell-off if Bitcoin decides it wants to sell down below that 84 range. But again, I do think that we could hopefully hold some support if Bitcoin decides it wants to tear up. So some of these charts are looking better than others. 12-hour chart. Let's see what the macros are looking like. Right, 12-hour chart looking like creating a wedge. 1-day chart looking like, see what's going on the one. Yeah, also like pretty much every chart showing that we're like right on some key support right now. So we'll really see how it plays out. Only time will tell, of course. You know, we never know the future. So Bitcoin can jump up off this 84, but again, I always believe that the trend is your friend. If I was in the market, and this is why I was saying even yesterday, like the trend is your friend. Like if I'm in the market right now, this is a short position in my opinion. But I don't play with leverage too much, because people that play with leverage get wrecked anyway. So I'm not telling you to go out and short the market. I'm not telling you that it's for sure going to happen. Anything can always happen. I just want to reiterate that a million times, that anything can happen. But we do look for indicators in trading. We do believe that the trend is our friend. In my opinion, the next couple weeks to months are going to be for accumulating. And that's what I've been saying for weeks or months myself, that I'm going to be accumulating, because these moments do not come all the time. They actually come every once in a while. And when they're here, in my opinion, it's a good time to be looking for things at a better price. So we really got to see where we close this 1-day candle here, right? Because we're already kind of opening up a little bit funky, like opening up like down. But look, it's only 8:47. Today could be very volatile. We could break up and totally wreck all these bears. So anything could happen, but hopefully we didn't have a rejection, right? We've seen this thing reject off this second level here, rejected here. So we just got to pay attention to that. Maybe again, we can eat up this candle and this market will be looking a lot better. But in my opinion, this really needs to have a good, strong close on the day in order to still have a chance of continuing this momentum, because you can see we had a rejection of this top level here, and then we started breaking down. That's why I said, like, this is a short right here. This thing is even hanging in limbo at this 85. I don't think we have much support at 85. I think that there's a good chance that we definitely probably more likely see 84. But I'm not a professional. not a professional. I just am looking at this chart and giving you my personal opinion. So that's all it is, guys. Just a personal opinion. I want to know what you guys think, though. I am still bullish on 2025. I am still looking for coins at a cheaper price. Definitely looking for Toshi. I already told you guys at the cheapest prices I could find this thing at. So I am not too upset about the price action today. If anything, it's just telling me that I might have a little bit more time to be accumulating these projects that I like. So that's all I'm treating it as. I'm not too crazy about this Bitcoin price action today. It does look like a short opportunity, but at the same time, I'm probably not going to pull out a short today just because, again, I feel like people that spend time in the market do better than people that spend time trying to price the market. And so, again, I'm just looking at dollar cost average right now. Every once in a while, I will take out a short. Just probably not today. I don't know. Maybe I should take out a short today, but we'll see. I mean, if we trend too low, then maybe I'll take it out tomorrow. Because we could really eat this candle. I don't know. Look, Bitcoin trying to turn it around, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. What do you guys think? You guys think that this is still bullish? Starting to print pretty positive on this 1 minute chart, right? But again, not out of the woods. Not out of the woods. We don't want to start rejecting off of this Keltner channel level here. I told you guys we don't have much support. Or not much support, but we don't have much. Yeah, we don't have much support under 85. I'm sorry. We don't have much support. So we might see a retest at 84, but it's always speculative, guys. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.